For over a century, Ingersoll Rand has been engineering solutions that strengthen India's industries, advancing technology, and building the foundations of tomorrow.
India is one of the fastest growing economy in the world, and Ingersoll Rand India is very well aligned with this momentum.
In the heart of Gujarat, a new beginning takes shape in Sanand, where ideas turn into innovation and vision transforms into reality. From the first excavation to the final installation, every detail of the Ingersoll Rand Sanand plant is engineered with purpose.
This investment of Sanand is demonstrating the confidence of global Ingersoll Rand to Indian economy and Indian growth.
Spread across 65,855 square meters with 24,527 square meters of built-up space in Phase 1, this state-of-the-art facility is built to adapt and customize for diverse industries, including pharma, textiles, engineering, and automotive.
We will be producing our engineering-to-order product portfolio, expanding our centrifugal products to the larger frames, adding additional air treatment and gas compression system products.
With in-house R&D and testing labs, semi-automated testing cells, and full integration of Industry 4.0 technologies, every process is monitored for precision, safety, and operational efficiency. Sustainable systems such as green power, rainwater harvesting, zero liquid discharge, and recycling ensure environmental compliance across all operations. The Sanand plant has been designed with advanced safety systems from automated fire detection to low-noise enclosures and crash prevention cranes. Built by people, for people, it reflects the commitment and craft of everyone who brought it to life and will employ and train over 200 in its first phase.
This plant is going to support our multi-channel, multi-brand strategy, going to support our customers, and also going to provide opportunity to the local community. We are really excited about this investment and the growth for Ingersoll Rand in India with the growing market.
Built for today and ready for tomorrow, the Ingersoll Rand Sanand plant is a true Make in India story. From Gujarat to the world, powering industries, empowering progress.